to the channel. My name is Ardil and today we're sat in a BMW 6 Series GT. This car has the bass sound system in the car, so let's have a listen to it and see how it sounds. So we're going to play just over half volume here.
Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, yeah, I'm lovable, 'cause it's not enough of us. There's nothing that you...
So why does this system sound so low down, quite muffled, and why is there no detail to the sound? It's because it has no tweeters in the car. Later on in today's video, we're going to be showcasing a little bit more about what we're going to be doing in terms of the install process of making a BMW sound absolutely insane. This is one of the packages from our website, so we have pricing and also timescale and also what you actually get for that money by ourselves here at Cambridge Audio when we're doing a sound system on a car. But this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. The car sounds pretty awful right now, but let's have a listen to something else to give you a bit more idea about, if you don't own one of these cars, how bad the system is right now. So this is something slightly different, and we're going to play again just over half volume, and later on we'll do the comparison.
No surprise we don't go together, but it took us a while before we figured it out. What a shame. I'm not asking you for closure.
So that is just not how that song is supposed to be heard. Like, you'll hear it after once we're done the system. These sorts of songs there, or any song for that matter, that's not how the artist wanted you to hear it. Let's make it happen. So with the install now complete, the journey has been absolutely fantastic, and this is a long-term client of ours, and I'm sure he is going to absolutely love this, because sitting in this car, listening to the final tune of it, sounds absolutely beautiful. With the car being that little bit bigger, it actually sounds very, very different, but honestly, exceptional. I actually prefer it. Obviously, having space around sound makes such a difference. The bigger the car, the better the sound system, generally speaking. But honestly, so I'm happy with the final results, but don't take my word for it. Actually, let's sit in the car now and have a bit of a listen.
We don't go together, but it took us a while before we figured it out.
I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. I'm saying that. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. I'm saying that. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, hey. Where you going? Hey.
It's just simply incredible the difference from how the car came in to what we have now. So I'm over the moon with the finished results.
You're a waterfall, I'm a fire. No surprise we don't go together. But it took us a while before we figured it out. What a shame. You're a waterfall, I'm a fire. No surprise we don't go together. But it took us a while before we figured it out. What a shame. I'm not asking you for closure. I just want it to be over. We don't need to break up if we were never aligned. Is that okay?
So you've had a listen to the final results of the system, and hopefully you are blown away just as much as I am. The system sounds incredible, and this just doesn't get old. Having a system in your car just always makes your driving experience so much nicer, where you can sit and enjoy decent sound, how an artist intended it to be heard. And a system like this now honestly does. Plus, really key things, it's all removable. Client can remove it, move it to his next BMW or another car as well with the amplifier or some of those parts. Plus, this system and different options are available on our website, guys. Head over, everything is in the description below. Head over there, select your car, whether it be a BMW or an Audi RS6 like the one we just booked in about 5 minutes ago. So whatever the car, have a look on our website. There's different pricing, packages, and if you want something custom, come by and see us, get in contact with us. But this system is absolutely incredible. I'm absolutely in love with it, and I'm sure our very good client and good friend of ours will absolutely love this one. So thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.